Gentlemen, let's start. Abdulaziz, hashtag 8, Abdulaziz. Can you start reading? Yeah.
Skill 35. Use the correct tense with time expressions.
What does that mean, expression? You see?
Saying.
Yeah. An expression is a saying. Example. Here, read this.
Time expression on.
Example.
Example on a day.
Yeah, like on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. Or?
In month or year.
Give me an example. In
January.
In January, in February, in March. Or?
In 2020 or?
Yeah, in 2010 or in 2030. Okay.
1993.
Yep. Right. Or?
At 5 in the morning.
At 5 o'clock. At 5:30. At 5:25. Okay. So these are time expressions, gentlemen. These are time expressions here. Okay. Which ones are time expressions? This is a time expression. This and this. Okay. These are time expressions. Okay. Now, Ayed, can you start? Often.
Often in a sentence in the written expression section of the TOEFL test, there is a time expression that clearly indicates what verb tense is needed in the sentence.
Okay. Now, guys, if you are in 03, this skill can help you in the test. Okay. It can help you in the test because the time expression will often, not always, but often it will, most of the time, it will tell you which tense is necessary. Okay? It will tell you which tense is necessary. All right? So, Ayed, example.
We moved to New York in 1970.
Okay, we moved to New York in 1970. Now, I put this here, red, and here, red. Why did I put this red in 1970?
The past.
Yes. Normally, if you see the red, it's normally red in plus a number, year, like this, in plus a year. It's normally past simple. Okay? Asil, second one.
We had left there by 1980.
Okay? Had left by 1980. Now, why did I make this one blue? Well, if it's by plus a number like this, normally, it's past perfect. Understand? By some time, then normally it's past perfect. Okay? Hassan, next one.
We have lived in San Francisco since 1982.
Now, if you use since, yeah? Since plus a time, normally present perfect. Do you understand? Normally, it's present perfect. When I say normally, I would say almost always. Almost always. In this case, almost always present perfect. This case, almost always, maybe 80% past perfect. And here, I would say also 80% past simple. Okay. Now, let's go to the next section down. Mustafa, here. Some
additional time expression that clearly indicate the correct tense are
ago,
that,
ago, last,
Last.
lately.
Lately.
Now, these expressions are almost 100. You understand? They're almost 100%.
Mhm.
So, let's see. Hermes, example.
She got a job 2 years ago.
Yep. Ago. Most Arabic speakers, you like to say before 2 years.
Yes, yes.
You like to say before 2 years. Okay.
Yes.
Native speakers don't do that. We don't say that. You see, what are you doing? You're translating. You're just translating directly from Arabic, right? You're just translating directly. And you say, she got a job 2 years ago, before 2 years. This is how you talk in Arabic. So you translate this directly to English. But native speakers, we don't say that. We always use ago. And ago, this one is 100%, 100% past.
Past
Past
simple.
simple.
100% past. She
Past
got a
simple
job.
or any past?
I would say 99% past simple.
And the
And-
one left.
And maybe 1% some special cases. Okay?
Okay.
I would say almost always simple. Okay? Read the next one. Let's see. Abdulaziz Hedji.
She started working last week.
Yeah. Once again, if you see this one, I would say it's almost 100% past tense. Yeah, 100% in the past. Okay, Abdul Majid, next.
She has worked very hard lately.
Yeah, lately, maybe 85% present perfect, or maybe more than that. I don't know, but it's almost always present perfect. Okay, Saleh, go to the chart.
The following chart lists time expressions that indicate the correct verb tense,
Okay,
using
read.
correct tenses with the time expressions.
Okay,
Past
let's
perfect,
start here. So past perfect. How many? We
by,
have just one. Right? What is it?
by.
By. Now I will show you a couple of notes here. You see this? This is the first note, and here's the second one. Okay. Do you know how to do a screenshot?
Snap.
Take a screenshot. Okay. Now, what does that say, Saleh? Past
By
perfect?
1920.
Yeah. And look at the note on the left side.
Yes, past perfect, 60%.
Mhm. Or?
Future perfect, 40%.
Yeah, so sometimes sometimes it is future. Sometimes it is future perfect. Okay? But mostly past perfect. Understand? Yeah? Yazid, can you read the second note? Hanan, under Hanan. Hanan, any?
Simple past.
No, under any past in the note. You see the note?
Any past time or future time.
Yeah. So you can use by plus any time in the past or any time in the future. Okay? Any time in the past or anytime in the future. Okay. And then here, go ahead. Yazid.
Simple past.
Example.
2 years ago.
Okay. Now read this note.
99% past simple.
Good. 99% past simple. Okay. Ahmed Al-Harbi, what about this?
Last year.
Yep. Last year. What
99.
percent?
Past simple.
What percent?
99.
99%. So anytime you see last, it's almost always the past simple. Okay. All right. Let's see. Everybody put up your blue hand again. Blue hand again. Or not blue hand, sorry, your hand, all right? Alt-Y. Okay, choose Alt-Y. Okay, Abdulaziz. Read the next one, here.
1920.
In 1920, okay? What does that say?
Past simple 80%.
And
the future simple 20%.
20%. And then?
Number of a year or name of a month.
Right. You can use the number of a year or the name of a month, okay? Ayed. Next.
Present perfect. Since 1920. 90% present perfect. Since can be a preposition or a connector.
Yeah, you have to be careful, okay? Because sometimes it is a preposition, sometimes, and sometimes it's a connector. That means it will connect. You will join two small sentences with this word sometimes. Okay, so it's not always time expression, okay? But most of the time, 90%, okay? Asil, how about the next one? You're muted.
Lately.
Yeah. Read the note.
99% present perfect. 80% present recently, 80% present perfect. And 20%.
Oh, hold on. Do a screenshot here. Yeah, 20%. Do a screenshot there, guys. You got it? You got a screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look quickly at the exercise. How do we do the exercise, Hassan? How do we do it? Just read the yellow parts, just the yellow parts.
Circle the time expression and underline the verb twice.
What does that mean? Underline it twice. Put 2 lines.
Yeah.
And then?
Then indicate
Correct.
Correct C or incorrect I.
Good job. Mustafa, number 1.
The phone rang
incessantly. So this means if you say cease means to stop. So incessantly
without stopping.
Without stopping. The phone rang without stopping last night. Now the key word is last night. Do you see that? The key word is last night. Understand? Now, what is the tense?
Run. Verb 2.
Past simple. Do they match? Yes.
Yes.
They match. So this example is correct. Okay. Abdulaziz Al-Haji, number 2.
I have finished contacting everyone by 4 yesterday.
Now, what is this in the circle? The time expression by.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we use normally by means we want the past perfect, right? The past perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
What is this? Is this past perfect?
Present perfect.
Present
That's present.
perfect. Do you see the mistake?
Yeah.
So how do I change? How do I fix this one? What should it be?
They had finished.
Had finished. Do you understand? Okay. Guys, let's try this exercise right now. I'm going to give you a timer. I'm going to give you 3 minutes only. Start now.
3 minutes. Two minutes. One minute, 45 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 15 seconds. One minute. Forty-five seconds.
I think I'll stop when it gets to 30 seconds, okay?
Thirty seconds.
Stop now. Okay. All right. So let's start with you, Hermes. Hermes, number 3. Don't read the sentence. Don't read it. Just tell me the time expression.
In the past simple.
No, I want the time expression. Help him. Can somebody give me the time expression?
Yeah, in 16.
In 1612. Now,
Yes.
where is the verb? Tell me the verb.
Have arrived.
Arrived.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna say have. It's not.
No.
Guys. Two parts, right? Have arrived. Underline all parts. Is this correct?
Yeah.
No.
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 No, it's not correct.
Do you see the problem?
Yes.
Yes.
We should remove have.
Yeah, we don't want to
Because
say have
it's in the
arrived.
past.
Yes,
Yes. We say
Should.
arrive.
Should be past simple.
Should be simple.
Yep. Ali. Ali. Number 4. Give me the time expression in 4.
Since.
More than that. Since what?
Since the law was passed.
Yeah. Now we have the time, the word since, then we have the new law was passed. What is this tense? What tense? Since the new law was passed.
Passive.
It's passive, but what tense is it?
Past.
Past passive.
You see that? It's past tense, right? So that means from that time. That's what it means. From that time. Now, is this example correct or incorrect?
Correct.
What do you think? It has.
Correct.
Where's the verb? Let's do that first. Where's the verb?
Has been difficult.
Has been.
Has been.
It has been difficult.
Has been. Two parts. Has been. Okay. Is this okay? Since the new
No.
law was passed, it has been difficult. Is it
Yes,
correct?
yes, it's correct.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's correct. Present perfect.
Absolutely correct. Why
Yeah.
is it correct?
Because
Why?
since it match with the present perfect.
Exactly. The since, yeah, matches with the present perfect. It has been difficult. Okay. Saleh. Try the next one.
Time expression is ago,
Okay. Ago.
and it's correct.
Yeah, but it's 2 hours ago, right?
Yes.
2 hours ago. Where's the verb?
Put.
Yeah. One part. Yeah. Put.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. And then you said it's correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. It is correct. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yazid. Do the next one.
Last weekend. Last week.
Number 6. Is it correct? Tell me that. Do you think it's correct?
No. Incorrect.
Good, good. It is incorrect. Incorrect. Where is the time expression?
Last week.
Yeah, exactly. Last week. Okay. And where's the verb?
Have been counted.
Counted. Good job. Yeah. Have been counted. What tense is it? Have been counted. Guys, what tense is it?
Passive.
Present perfect.
Passive.
It's
Present
present perfect
Passive.
passive. Yeah. Can I use the present perfect for last?
No.
No. Yep. So it's incorrect. How do I fix that one? All the votes.
Was counted.
Where?
Yeah. Was. Or no, you're right. What were because votes is plural, right? Votes is plural. So it should be were counted. There you go. This is past simple. Were counted. You understand? Okay. Number 8. Let's see. Muhammad Al Amri. Try 7. Do 7.
7, yes.
Is it correct? Is it correct first? Tell me that. Is it correct?
I don't think so.
So
No.
you say incorrect?
Yeah, because it's simple and it's continuous and should be present perfect.
Exactly. Where's the expression?
Lately.
Lately. And
Yeah.
what do we know? Lately should be present perfect.
Perfect.
What's the verb here?
Writing.
All parts, it's are writing.
Are
Yeah?
writing, yeah.
Yeah. And how do I fix that one though? Do you know?
Yes, the student have
We want
been
present perfect, right?
yeah.
Have what?
Have writing. Have written.
No. Well,
Am I
you could
correct?
say that. Yeah, that's possible. You could say have written. That is correct. Or there's another
Have been writing.
possibility.
Writing.
You
Have
could
been
also
writing.
use the continuous have
Been writing.
writing. These
Yeah.
are both possible answers. Okay?
Yeah.
Have written or have been writing. Okay? Let's do number 8. Abdul Majid, try number 8. You think it's correct? Is it correct?
No, no, I don't think so.
You say it's incorrect?
Incorrect too. I think
Where's the time expression? Find the time expression.
in 1990.
Right? Is that past or is that future? What is that?
I
In
think it's
1990.
past.
Absolutely past, before you were born.
Yep.
Right? The Senate votes on laws. The verb votes.
Votes.
Is that okay?
No.
No.
Why? What's the problem?
We should use the past simple. Voted.
Yep, exactly. We want past simple. Should be V-O-T-E-D. Voted. Should be voted on the law to ban cigarette smoking in public in 1990. Past simple. Matham Al-Qurain.
Yes.
What do you think? Is this next one correct or incorrect? Number 9.
I think correct.
Is it correct?
Yes, it is.
Where's the time expression?
By the time the main course was served.
Yeah, by the time. All of this. We put all of this in the circle. Okay. What? So by, and then what is the time is here past, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Where do I put a line? I need a line. Where should I put the line?
Had arrived.
Yes. Had arrived. Had arrived. Okay. Is this okay? By the time the main course was served, all the guests had arrived. So what happened first? Did they serve the main course first, or did the guests arrive first? Anybody? Did the guests
Yes.
arrive first?
Yes, the guest arrived first, then.
Exactly. Yep. This sentence is correct. Right? All right, last one here. Muhammad Al-Amri, what do you think?
Yeah, the last one, basically, since it is a connector, not a time expression.
Is it
So
correct,
the time,
though? The sentence?
Yes.
yes.
I had not done much more work since I talked to you on Wednesday. You
Yeah.
say it's correct?
Yeah. Because
Just
talked is simple, but simple,
No.
and on.
Listen.
It's a time expression because he said yesterday on on Wednesday.
Yeah. You just
Yeah.
lost marks in TOEFL.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Yeah, you just lost marks in TOEFL. Let's put the
correct answer.
Since I talked to you, okay, right here. Since I talked, that means from the
time that I talked.
past to now. This is present perfect. But is this present perfect?
No, past perfect.
No, past perfect.
Yep. This is wrong. So, guys,
Be careful.
yep. You can
Mr.
lose marks. This is how you lose marks. You have to be careful with this, okay? How do I fix it, by the way? What's the correct, how do I correct it?
I have not done much more.
I have not done much.
Yeah.
I haven't done.
Present perfect.
Yeah. I can just change auxiliary. Okay? Do you understand, gentlemen? What
Doctor,
about
Mr. H, Wednesday?
One second. I have one more question. How do I fix the number 3? How do I fix that one?
Arrived. We delete have.
Exactly.
Delete have.
Okay, so I'm going to remove have. What about this one up here, number 2? If I fix that, what should I do?
Had finished.
I want past perfect, right?
What finished?
Had finished contacting everyone. Okay. All right. Okay. Did someone have a question?
Okay.
Who
Mr.
had a
Ed?
question?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr. Question 4. Please, can you explain it again since the new law was passed?
Okay.
Is it correct?
So the sentence, since the new law was passed, so since the time of that action. Now that action is past tense, right? The action is past tense. Do you understand, Hermes?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
New law was passed. So past action. Since that action, right? Since that action in the past, until now. Until now. So this is called the present perfect. And the present perfect, we talk about from the past until now. Okay? So that's why the present perfect is correct.
Since its container was passed.
No.
You mean is
Look.
not with is
Look.
Yeah.
Look here. Present perfect. Since. We use since, okay? This expression plus the present perfect.
Yeah. I can see that.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
Yeah. This expression plus the present perfect. Okay. Down here, same idea. This expression plus the present perfect. Okay.
Yes.
Here we use the present perfect. Here is the expression from the past. From this action in the past to now. So that's why we use this is in the past since I talked, but this one should be present perfect.
In this one.
Yeah.
Yes, in this one. Yes.
If you look at
I can see that. Yeah.
If you see the example since 1920, is 1920 right now? Is 1920 now? Of course not. You see? Huh? This expression, the whole expression, look at the whole expression. Huh? Together, right? We have since, and then here, this is in the past. Do you understand? 1920 is in the past.
Yep.
In this example,
It has been long.
This example, the new law was passed. That's in the past. Here, I talked. That's the action is in the past. Okay? So from the past to now. Gentlemen, that's all for today. All right.
Thank you very much, Mr.
I will send you a link to the recording. You can review it later if you like. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr.
Goodbye, guys.